Yo, what up? We back with another edition of Sports Betting with Wes. And let's get into how we did last night. Starting off with Orlando, covered that -2 to Phoenix. Like I said, 111 to 115. Charlotte covered that -16 to Brooklyn. Like I said, 117 to 86. Detroit covered that -2 to Toronto. Like I said, 116 to 127. And the Bucks covered that -1 to Dallas. Like I said, 99 to 123. Everything else did not happen, like I said. The New York did not cover the -1 to Houston, losing 94 to 11. Carl Anthony Towns did not get a double double. Cavs did not cover the positive 1.5 to the Lakers, losing 108 to 125. And the Clippers did not cover the -5.5 to Portland, losing 114 to 104. Now, with that being said, let's get into tonight's game. Atlanta is getting 4.5 from Orlando. And I like Orlando. Over and under 232. I'm a bet on the over. Sixers are giving up 15.5 to Washington. And I like the Sixers. Over and under 240. I'm not going to touch it. Celtics are giving up 5.5 to Miami. Excuse me. I like the Celtics. 5.5. Over and under 229.5. I'm not going to touch it. Milwaukee is getting 17 points from Houston. I'm going to take the Bucks with the 17. Over and under 218.5. I'm not going to touch it. Pacers are getting 5 from Chicago. I'm going to go with the Pacers. Over and under 247.5. I'm going to bet on the over. Sacramento is getting 14 from Toronto. And I'm done with Sacramento, so I'm going with Toronto. Over and under 226.5. Not going to touch it. New York is giving up 15 to Memphis. I'm going with New York. I'm also going to bet on Cap. Give me a double-double. Over and under 227.5. We ain't touching over and unders today. That's what it looks like. Denver is giving up 17 points to Utah. And I'm going to go with Denver. Over and under 227.5. I'm not going to touch it. And last but not least, the Spurs are giving up 13.5 to go to the state. I'm going to bet on the Spurs. I'm also going to bet on Wemby to give me a double-double. Over and under 226.5. I'm not going to touch it. And that concludes our tickets for tonight. Good luck on your tickets. Until we sit down tomorrow and talk about it. Peace.